Do you trust this market with your account? Hey guys, what's up? Brandon here, let's go. So today we're going to be talking about the importance of a stop loss, and I'm going to make a comparison between a stop loss and something, and you're going to get an idea as to why I believe a stop loss is so important. So you know, when rich people getting married, they might be told by their friends or maybe a lawyer to get a prenuptial agreement. Right, let's talk about what a prenuptial agreement is. So a prenuptial agreement is an agreement between the couple that states who is in control of the finances and who gets what in the event of a separation due to a divorce. Now, why is that important for you and your trading? As a trader, you're going to realize that you get married to your trades, in the sense of once you're in the trade, there's no getting out until either you win, lose, or draw. What is very important to keep track of at this point is who gets what and when. Because as you know, if you leave it up to the market is going to take everything. You don't want that. The whole idea is, and this is what I believe, a stop loss is a prenuptial agreement between you and the market. It's the same thing. It's an agreement between two parties that states who controls the wealth. You don't want to give the control of the wealth to the market, because if you do, trust me, the market is going to take everything. The stop loss says, in the event that we should separate, or we should have to separate because you were wrong about your trade, this is all that you can take. Now, traders who don't trade with a stop loss are effectively leaving everything up to the market. When they say things like, oh, I have a mental stop loss, I can assure you that it's only a matter of time until the market comes and takes everything that you have. And I have seen it happen every single time to traders who don't trade with a stop loss. So that there are traders who say, well, you know, I don't trade with a stop loss because when I trade with a stop loss, I lose. Let me tell you something. The idea that you are saying that the stop loss is making you lose in the market is the same thing like saying guns kill people. Guns don't kill people. People kill people. The whole idea is, if you find like you're losing a lot in the industry or within the market, get better entries. Figure out why is it that you're losing so much. What is it about my entries is making me lose? And then you get to realize that it's not the stop loss doing anything, you know. You are the person who's in control of the stop loss. So do something about it and really make a change that is meaningful, that would allow you to lose a little bit less. It's very simple. The problem is traders don't like to make changes because changes are very uncomfortable, they hurt, they're painful, they're frustrating, and the fact that we have gotten into a rhythm, a lot of traders feel like, well, I'll just keep doing that. But the thing is, as you know, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over, expecting different results. So if it is you're losing, and you want to get a change, or you want to start winning, you need to change something. So if it is you find like every time you enter without a stop loss and you blow your account after 2 weeks, change it, do something else. But acknowledge the fact that the stop loss is not the problem. You and how you enter and where you enter is what is causing the problem. I want to ask a very interesting question. Do you trust this market with your account? That's a very interesting question, right? Obviously not. The reality is, if it is you were to just say, here market, this is my account, do with it whatever you like. Let me tell you, the market will take everything, commit it to the liquidity pool, and distribute it amongst the winners, and you will be left with nothing. The whole idea is to control your risk. Make sure your risk is as managed and as controlled and under your control as possible. And you can only do that when you are using a stop loss on every single trade. Any trader who does not use a stop loss is only a matter of time till your demise arrives. Remember that the whole idea behind what we do is not a matter of winning every single trading. It's to make sure that the trades that you do win, you have very big wins, and the trades that you lose, you keep them as tiny and as small and as controlled as humanly possible. If you cannot do that, it doesn't matter what strategy you're using, what is your win rate, nothing. The whole idea is risk management. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. My apologies again for not posting as often and as frequent as I usually do. I'm trying to finish up this website. I'm almost done, so you can definitely look forward to seeing from me on YouTube a lot more in the coming days. If it is you liked this video and you found it very entertaining and informational and educational, be sure to hit like below. It does help the videos a lot. Also, leave a comment. What do you think? Do you use a stop loss or do you not use a stop loss? And if you do, what is the size of your stop loss? Right? In terms of pips and in terms of percentage. Right? What do you risk? Do you risk 1%, Do you risk 2%, 3%, 10%? What do you do, right? Hit subscribe as well and ring the bell so that you can know when I do post future videos. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out to me directly at Ikata Trading on Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Other than that, have a great rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.